What's good, fam? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Cajun garlic butter. This is a quick one right here. Just gonna need unsalted butter, chopped parsley, garlic paste. We're going to be using CREOLE seasoning and some avocado oil. First, we're going to drop in our stick of butter. Want to make sure the butter is room temperature. It's way easier to mix. Then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of avocado oil and sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of CREOLE seasoning. After that, 1½ teaspoons of garlic paste. We're going to sprinkle in about a tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley. Mix it up. That avocado oil is going to help it blend nice and smooth together. There you go, fresh homemade Cajun garlic butter. And that's it. If you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Tap that bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new recipe. Peace.